Hey guys, Avi here, and welcome back to our Python and MySQL series. In this video, we're going to be learning how to select data from our database and display it to any user you choose. So to do that, guys, we're going to be using the select method that we used back in our MySQL workbench, this one right over here, except we're going to be running this command in Python. And if you guessed how, you are right, we're using the execute command that we used for actually pushing data to our database. So let's get started. First thing first, guys, we're going to go ahead and say mycursor.execute. And again, in this execute command, we're going to be running the exact same command we did over here. Select star, and star basically means all, if you haven't realized by now. Select star from students. And all this is going to do, guys, is this is going to give us the entire list of student data that we have. And then to actually get that data, we're going to say my result is equal to mycursor.fetchAll. And what the fetchAll function does, guys, it's going to fetch all of the rows from the last executed statement. So the last executed statement would be this right over here. MyCursor.fetchAll is going to go ahead and get all of the rows that were fetched in this execute statement. So now we have my result is equal to myCursor.fetchAll, and our myResult variable will now have all of our row data. So we're just going to say for row in myResult, we're going to print out row. All right. So go ahead and save that, guys. Again, very straightforward. We're running the select star from students command, getting all of the data and printing it out row by row. So let's go ahead and run this, and we immediately get Rachel, Bob, Amanda, Jacob, Avi, Michelle, Mike, and then Mike again. Fantastic. So that is how you run a select command using Python and get all of the data. Now, let's say you wanted a specific column. When you work with MySQL databases, you're going to have tons and tons of different columns. So the question is, if you want to do a specific one, it's all dependent on your execute command. So just like you're querying something from a MySQL database, the exact same thing you're going to run in your execute command. So over here, we're going to go ahead and say select age, not just all the columns, just select age from students. And then what that's going to do, guys, is it's only going to return us that one specific row. So go ahead and save that and run this. And now we see 22, 12, 30, 21, 18, 17, 17, 17. That basically means that it only got us the age column. So again, if you want more specific data, guys, make sure you specify the column you want. Otherwise, the star will get you all of your data. Last but not least, guys, right now we're using the fetchAll method. Sometimes when you're running Python scripts, when you're getting data from your database, you maybe just want to see one entry. You want to see, hey, I just want to check one thing, make sure everything looks good. To fetch one entry, the way you can do that, guys, is by just saying myCursor.fetch1. All right, the fetch1 function will only get you one entry from your execute command. That way you'll save memory space, you'll make your code run much faster. If you have a database with thousands and thousands of rows, fetch1 is very beneficial. Go ahead and save that, guys, and run it, and you're gonna see 22. 22 again is the first row. That is what the fetch1 function does. It'll return the first row of the result. All right, fantastic. So in this video, guys, we understood how to get data from our database using the select method. Again, select star, select a specific column from your table, and then either say fetch all to get all of the rows or fetch one to get a single row. Thanks so much for listening, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.